Hello, collective. So let me see your situation. Mhm. I think all of us having an easy decision in life. We really know what we want, so we are sometimes overthinking a lot of things. Yeah. So collective, your overall energy is you are wishing for something. You're praying to have a conversation to get on the same page into something that you are fighting for, that you keep on keeping notes. Okay, you might be also wanted to talk to someone that um talk about legal things, and you might be um getting getting some news or remembering something that can be can get both of you in the same page. Okay, thank you so much, Tarot Angels. So tell me what's other situation that my collective have. Please, Tarot Angels, please give me 3 cards for my collective. So I think you also have a clarity about something that you're fighting for, and you think it's wanted to talk about to that person. I don't know yet if it's about love or something like that. Okay. So yeah, you are determined to talk about something that been bothering both of you. Okay. Might be you and this person have a disagreement or conflict. Okay. And you are now don't want to avoid something that should be talked about, like I think it's been happening for you in months. Yeah, fire sign, air, earth sign, and water sign all are here. Okay, so you want to transform this situation, and it's because this is something that you been really keeping notes. You have a lot of passion to this person. You're working so hard to master, and you are now dedicated to pay something that you knew, that you already knew all along, that it was also your fault, but you don't understand it before. It might take some of your pride or ego before admitting or before seeing the truth behind the clouds. Okay, that's what I'm getting. It's not in these tarot cards. However, that's how I'm feeling, which is I'm so proud of you. A lot of us doesn't want to take accountability of what are we doing, but because that you have a lot of passion to this person, you wanted to end the tension between the both of you, which will come to a dead rebirth. Okay, your guides, I'm not opening oracle cards yet, but yeah, your guides telling me uh, there will be a change in coming. Okay, so yeah, right now let's see you might getting ready, because I'm stuttering, even though, and yeah, my grammar is not good. I'm not good at English, but I have a confidence talking in English. I don't stutter like this, okay? But um feeling in your energy. You might be thinking about a lot of things that you wanted to say to this person. Okay? And I want to know what is the outcome. So yeah, tarot angels, what is their guides want to tell them? Okay, please tell me. Well, for that, I'm so proud of you. Especially that I feel that you're masculine energy despite of your gender. Tarot angels, please give me last two cards for the message of their guides for my collective. Early. I can see that there will be a new beginning, and your guides wanted to tell you redundantly that there will be a new beginning, a change is coming after the rain, because you already accept what you have done wrong. Okay, that the thing that you don't understand before, and I can feel that before you are so defensive. Okay, you don't know that you've been hurt. That's what I see. You've been hurt before. That's why you are hurting other people too. And it's okay. Don't worry. It's okay. We all been there. I'm not a perfect person also, okay? I don't even believe that I'm a very good person. But I know that I don't want to lie. There will be all I want you to see your cards. This is the sun. You might be resonate. This is the morning. A rose without thorns. And after the rain. It's all about the beginning, my collective. Oh. And I saw this one. Yeah. So after your self-care, after the rest and replenishment. Okay, I'm sorry. And after you accept this, there will be hope. There will be success. There will be enjoyment. There will be a positive outlook. And you will have your peace and sweet of life. You know, collective, taking accountability, because you did that and you admit that um I don't I don't also think that it's also just your fault. However, I can feel that you're the one who made a lot or a big impact in this situation, and accepting that, wanted to change that because there's a lot of passion between you and this person, is something that I'm so proud of you. And you should be proud of yourself too. Even you're overthinking a lot of things, at least you're ready to take accountability. You're just getting ready for it. And I don't think that you want to change everything in your decision as of now. So yeah, thank you so much, collective. I hope this helped. And yeah, always pray and smile. Bye.